We're making 3 easy, healthy overnight oats recipes that you can meal prep in minutes, and they're perfect for weight loss. They're high in fiber, low in sugar, and they taste delicious. In a mason jar, add half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of the milk of your choice, make sure it's unsweetened, half a cup of plain dairy-free Greek yogurt, and for extra protein, 1 tablespoon of protein powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of fresh or frozen berries. I'm using blueberries and raspberries, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Stir all of the ingredients together and place in the fridge overnight. Before serving, top with more berries. The second recipe we're making is cinnamon apple pie overnight oats. We're going to need half a cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, followed by 1 tablespoon of protein powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And the cinnamon is what helps to stabilize the blood sugar. 1 cup of milk, half a cup of Greek style yogurt. Then we're just going to stir and refrigerate overnight. Our third recipe is chocolate peanut butter overnight oats. So we're going to start by adding half a cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of your favorite milk, half a cup of unsweetened Greek-style yogurt, last but not least, a generous tablespoon of peanut butter. And we're just gonna mix all of this together. Let me know in the comments down below which overnight oats recipe you'll be making. And if you enjoyed this healthy breakfast recipe, then be sure to watch my high protein chia seed video next. I'll see you in my next video.